Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a delightful treat for all health enthusiasts and those on the go. We're talking about the best Ripple chocolate protein shake. If you're searching for a protein-packed, vegan-friendly beverage that satisfies your cravings and boosts your nutrition, then you're in the right place. Ripple Vegan Protein Shake is a powerhouse of nutrition, boasting 20 grams of plant-based pea protein in each 12-ounce bottle. This shake is not only delicious but also crafted with health in mind. It is non-GMO, gluten-free, lactose-free, and contains no dairy or soy. The Ripple Shake offers a creamy texture and rich chocolate flavor that rivals traditional dairy products, making it perfect for anyone looking to enjoy a guilt-free indulgence. One of the standout features of Ripple's chocolate protein shake is its impressive nutritional profile. With 8 times the protein of almond milk and half the sugar of dairy milk, it's designed for those who want to stay healthy without sacrificing taste. In addition to being high in protein, it's also a great source of calcium, containing 50% more than regular milk, and provides essential omega-3 fatty acids. This shake is an excellent choice for anyone aiming to maintain a balanced diet while enjoying a delicious beverage. While today's focus is on the rich chocolate variant, Ripple also offers a vanilla option, providing variety for those who may prefer something a little different. Both flavors are crafted to deliver a smooth and satisfying taste, making them ideal for breakfast, post-workout recovery, or even as a midday snack. Plus, these shakes are shelf-stable, which means they're perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. Just grab one from your bag and you're ready to fuel your day. Integrating the Ripple chocolate protein shake into your daily routine is incredibly simple. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a hike, or simply needing a nutritious pick-me-up, this shake fits seamlessly into any activity. Drink it straight from the bottle or mix it into your smoothies for an added protein boost. The possibilities are endless, and it's an easy way to ensure you're getting quality nutrition without any hassle. In addition to being good for your body, Ripple is also committed to sustainability. By choosing pea protein over traditional dairy, Ripple helps to reduce its environmental footprint. Pea protein requires less water and land compared to dairy farming, making it a more sustainable choice for our planet. So, when you choose Ripple, you're not just nourishing yourself, you're also making a positive impact on the environment. To wrap it up, the Ripple chocolate protein shake stands out as a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a delicious, nutritious, and convenient protein source. With its impressive protein content, rich flavor, and commitment to sustainability, it truly deserves the title of the best Ripple chocolate protein shake. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or just someone who values great nutrition, this shake is sure to meet your needs. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and tips. Have you tried the Ripple chocolate protein shake? Let us know in the comments what you think. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring delicious options.